live performance of The Shoemaker and the Elves.
Once upon a time there lived the old shoemaker and his wife. They were very poor.
I only have enough leather left for one more pair of shoes and no money to buy any more. Why don't you just cut it out so it'll be ready to work in the morning? It's very late. Stitches sounded quickly go, and the shoemaker never left him.
The shoemaker and his wife came in.
Now I can make that last pair of, look, the leather I could have been finished. I wonder who could have made these beautiful shoes.
I'd like to buy some new shoes. Do you have any that will fit me?
We have one pair just finished.
These are just what I want. I paid twice the usual price.
Now we have enough leather for two pairs of shoes.
That day, the shoemaker and his wife got more leather. The shoemaker cut out 2 pairs of shoes before he went to bed that night. The elves came to get them.
Stitches sounded quickly go, and the shoemaker never left him.
The next day, the shoemaker and his wife were surprised again.
Look, it's happened again. I wonder who could have made these beautiful shoes. We would like to buy some new shoes.
Do you have any that will fit us?
We have 2 pairs just finished. Would you like to try them? These are just what we wanted.
We'll pay you the prices of the shoes.
Now we have enough leather for 4 pairs of shoes. I'll go and buy it and you can cut it out before you go to bed.
That night, the shoemaker and his wife got more leather. The shoemaker cut out 4 pairs of shoes before he went to bed. That night, the elves came again.
Stitches sounded quickly go, and the shoemaker never left him.
The next morning, the shoemaker and his wife walked in and went against the park.
Four pairs of shoes. What tiny needs? Do you have any shoes my size?
Yeah, 1 pair just finished.
Do you have any shoes for my wife?
I have 1 pair just finished.
Of course I'll pay for some beautiful shoes.
Look how cool and the dusty size.
These are just what I wanted. We'll take them. These are just what I want. They're awesome. I'll take them. This continued for some time. Each day the shoemaker cut out more leather. Each night the elves came to make some shoes. And each morning the shoemaker and his wife found some new shoes. Soon everyone knew about the shoemaker's shoes, and lots of people came to buy them.
What beautiful shoes a lot of cousins are getting. I wonder who's helping them. Let's stay up tonight and see who.
That day, the shoemaker and his wife cut out more leather. That night, they watched to see who would come.
Have been good to us. We must do something for them. I know. They must be cold in their ragged clothes. I can sew them new coats and you can make them new shoes. So the next day they did just that. The shoemaker's wife sewed 4 pairs of shoes and the shoemaker's stitched 4 pairs of shoes. Now that we finished, let's leave them on the table tonight to see what happens. New clothes! We stitched and sewed, but now we're done. We'll take these clothes and off we'll run to where some others need us. The shoemaker and his wife never saw their gloves again, but they always had cousins for their shoes. The good luck the elves brought them lasted as long as they lived.
My fault, and I'm sorry. When I did the switch out, I didn't put enough shoes out. We hope you all really enjoyed it. We really appreciate you all coming. They worked really hard, and a lot of them were very, very nervous, but I couldn't be prouder of them. So can we give them all another round of applause?